To utilize the FSN as a ScreenPRO Plus, it does require a hardware configuration for both inputs and outputs. In the system menu, you'll notice that we have the system of a 1400 and a 150, as well as one DVE card for picture-in-pictures, obviously our mixer effects card, our multi-viewer card, which allows us to see all of our sources on one monitor. We have a native input card, which allows inputs that are running the native SDI format. In this case, we're going to be running 720p. 3 universal input cards, which gives us 6 scalable inputs. That's 6 channels of scalars. Allows for analog, DVI, or SDI video, as well as 2 universal output cards to control up to 4 projectors. The native input card has 8 inputs, allowing up to 8 video devices, being cameras, playback decks, etc. Let's take a look at the input setup. So in this particular system, we have a native input card, which is configured to allow SDI inputs. All the SDI inputs will come in at 720p. So currently we have 1 playback device and 2 other devices on the system. On our universal input cards, we have the ability to bring in analog or VGA inputs. Also in the analog connector, you can bring in composite component, all of your analog video sources. DVI sources for standard DVI video, as well as SDI if you have something that's not running 720p, maybe 480i camera or a 1080i camera. Those can come into the scalar card as well and be converted to the system native resolution. On the output side, we have our normal system outputs, which are all going to be running 720p native. So our preview, our program for the program bus, preview and program for ME1, and preview and program for ME2. These mixers could all be assigned to projectors directly or routed through the universal output cards. We have 2 universal output cards installed in this system to give us a total of 4 scalable outputs. These outputs can be set to a variety of output resolutions depending on the native resolution of your projector. The outputs can be selected from the output format, and you'll notice we go from all the way down to 480i and all the way up to full HD, 2K, or the 1920 by 1200 resolutions. We also have a DVE card assigned to the system to be able to create picture-in-picture effects.